Home upgrade specialists did a little bit more than they had to. I've actually, when someone asked me about heating and air conditioning, I said, I think that this is a company worth getting a quote and talking to them. My name is Beatrice Satmary, and I live in Burbank, California. I needed a new roof because I had leaks and I wanted to replace my air conditioning unit. And because the unit's on the roof, it was important to coordinate taking the old one off, putting the new platform on, doing the roofing, putting the new one, it was going to take coordination. So I knew I wanted to replace the air conditioning unit at the same time that I did my roof. I went on Yelp and I was looking for people who could do roofing, heating, and air conditioning. Home upgrade specialists had good ratings, so I asked them for a quote. The unit is very nice. I like the new platform that they did. I do think they came inside and they sealed my vents for me, which was nice. I don't think that they had to do that. I think it's definitely a company worth looking at whenever you're doing something and giving them a chance.